Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to adjust spacing in a Google Doc. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to highlight over whatever text you want to adjust spacing for, and after that select format tab and select line paragraph spacing, and you can able to see the option single space or 1.15 space, that's the default one, and 1.5 space or double the space. And you can able to see the option add space before paragraph and after paragraph. You can select it guys. I'm gonna double space it, click on it, and able to see the space of the text over here, and the same thing for this single space. You can able to see the difference of it. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.